Back in DC now, hitting up the US Botanic Gardens. All these plants that we come across, an imposter. This is not a plant. You can tell because plants don't glow. Here we find some more imposters. Bushes, generally, cannot let you see your own reflection. That's how you tell. I didn't want to talk at the gardens, so I'm going to do this all with voiceover. It's hotter in here than it was outside. To get warmer. I really thought people would be better at reading, but I guess not. Wow, look, desert. Cool. And more. Wow. True story, my sister fell on this exact cactus when she was like 8. Like, face first, like, head on, directly onto that cactus. Things, look at that size. Look at that. It's massive. This Stipelia gigantea, those things are tiny. I think Phineas is one of these Gusteria natatias. I don't know. These aloe plants look a lot like the one I have at home. I'll show you guys that later in the video. This is a habanero pepper, or like a bonnet pepper. It's pretty similar to the one that I have at home. And you can see it's also got little peppers growing on it. I'd like to have something like this in the dorm. I think that'd be pretty cool. Yo, there's dinosaurs in here. There's another one in there. Coming out of an egg, I think. Whack. Medicinal plants. Get it? Get it? Cause like, forget devil's lettuce. I only do devil's cotton. These have got to be some of my favorite plants of all time. Check this out, look. You touch the leaves, and it like folds up. Like, actively moves, and look how quick that is. I always thought that was so cool when I was little. It's like, wow, it's like reacting in real time. See, look, you can just kind of squeeze it, and it folds up. How cool is that? Who knew plants could move? Look at that, there it goes. Cool stuff. And I guess these are like jellyfish plants. Oh, they gave the tree a cane because it's getting old. These are my 3 jalapeno plants. I've had them for about 2 or 3 years now, and they're still going strong and producing tons of jalapenos. This one's tiny. It's like a little jalapeno bonsai. I've also got these 2 succulents. This water one is an agave. This other one is known as a forever plant because it stores water in the leaves and it's very hard to kill. Perfect for all you new plant keepers out there. And I've got them all lined up by a window at the base of my bed. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And if you're ever in DC, I highly recommend checking out the US Botanic Gardens. It's really cool. They do a lot of different exhibits and stuff, and a lot of really cool educational resources there, and just a really cool place to get a lot of photos and walk around.